garlic. Yes, it's a garlic. Yeah.
Wow.
Halo, halo.
I mix myself.
Okay, don't touch this one, huh? Half, and then this one half turkey.
It's that hot.
Yeah. Next. Here. Onion. What is this?
Garlic.
What is this? No, it's not a garlic. It's a
It's
onion.
onion. Wow.
Next. Here. What are you cooking?
I cooking broccoli carrot.
Broccoli and carrot.
Yeah.
Here. Small amount of
Hey,
soy sauce.
like that. Oh.
Salt.
Oh.
1 tablespoon. Nut. Next.
It's
Here.
hot.
Yeah. Then oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Yeah. Here na. Halo. Next. Oyster sauce.
It's smoke. It's getting the hot dog. Oh dear.
What is this?
Broccoli carrot.
Broccoli and carrot.
Wow. It's tender. It's delicious. I'm the brain.
Plain,
Yeah.
it's always plain. We try ourselves.
This is for carrot. This is broccoli.
This is cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yeah,
It's look like milk.
yeah, some cornstarch.
It's yummy. Let's see. It looks like a milk.
Look like a milk with a cornstarch. Yeah, that one is cornstarch.
Corn starch.
Cornstarch. Oh, you put some this. It's
Black pepper.
yeah, correct. It's a black pepper.
Wow. And dry.
Want to try? Small amount only. No. Don't too much. Yeah, like this. Oh, done.
To the broccoli.
Oh. Halo na, halo. Next. Stir na. Yeah.
Plain.
You want plain?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just a plain.
That is spicy.
Yeah, because black pepper. That's why don't too much black pepper. On it cover.
Covers. Where? Ah, there.
Mm. Small. Should be big cover here. Big.
There.
Wait, ha, wash lang yung papa. Stay, ha?
It's hot. That's it.
Don't.
Wait, SpongeBob. That's why it's there.
Oh, baby. Bye-bye. Just wait few minutes. Done. Oh, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.